Market volatility is the unrelenting storm smashing your portfolio over and over, the agony of watching gains vanish while others seem to swim effortlessly through chaos. You know the frustration all too well. Algorithms fail, gut instincts crumble, and every twist in the market feels like a punch to your gut. The fear that your edge, your secret weapon, will collapse tomorrow keeps you up at night. But what if there was a way not just to survive this madness, but to master it, to extract certainty from randomness, to turn volatility into your ally instead of your enemy? This is where statistical arbitrage enters like a roaring firestorm, brutally efficient, unemotional, and relentlessly adapting. Listen close. Statistical arbitrage is not magic, but it's closer to a superpower than most realize. It's a war machine built from cold data, patterns invisible to the naked eye, exploiting tiny inefficiencies before they vanish. Yes, it's complex, but don't be fooled. True mastery begins by stripping down complexity to its raw bone structure. Here's the raw truth. To beat market volatility with stat arb, you've got to obsess over data quality like your life depends on it. Garbage in, garbage out is not a saying, it's a verdict. Hunt down market microstructure quirks. Tune your models not just quarterly, but daily, hourly, because the market changes while you sleep. That's the difference between a collapsing fund and one that grows like wildfire. Now, here's the part most gloss over. Diversification isn't just spreading bets. It's layering uncorrelated strategies across asset classes, timeframes, and statistical signals. Some mean reversion, some momentum, some pure noise capture. You want to fight volatility? You build a fractal, multidimensional web where one thread snapping only strengthens the whole. Don't chase the shiny signals everyone's on. Find the overlooked edges buried in alternative data, satellite traffic, supply chain flows, social sentiment. Use machine learning to spot nonlinear patterns no human can decode, but never trust the black box blindly. Always pair it with rigorous economic intuition, or you're just gambling in disguise. Execution is your battleground. Speed and precision win more than prediction. Volatility creates fleeting cracks in the market's armor. If your systems can't act within milliseconds, those cracks heal before you step through. Invest relentlessly in ultra-low latency infrastructure, co-location, smart order routers. Every microsecond shaved off the trade time is a dagger in the heart of volatility. Remember, the market is a living beast, and your task is to tame it. So build feedback loops that learn and evolve from every trade, every loss, every unexpected jump. Stagnation is death. But here's the secret twist few dare to embrace. True edge comes from embracing chaos, not fearing it. Lean into volatility as your most honest partner in crime. Construct your risk limits dynamically. Stress test your models with brutal shock scenarios that mimic true market implosions. Don't seek comfort in stable returns. Those do not exist here. Instead, create resilience that grows stronger precisely because the storm rages on. Your mindset must be forged in fire, to see volatility not as enemy, but as the ultimate playground for your weapons of statistical precision. This is how founders and investors become architects of a new financial reality, beyond the status quo, beyond inherited rules and illusions. You are not mere players in a rigged game. You are the force that breaks the chains, that sculpts the chaos into opportunity. Statistical arbitrage is your catalyst, but only if you seize it with brutal discipline, relentless adaptation, and a hunger that never quenches. No excuses, no shortcuts. The storm will either break you or make you legendary. So act now. Cleanse your data, strip your models bare, diversify like your freedom depends on it, blitz the execution speed, and stare volatility in the eye until it kneels. This is your call to rise above the mediocre, to build a fortress of alpha in a world built on illusions. The market's wild heart beats for those who dare to master its chaos. Will you be one of them?